Yes, welcome back everybody. I don't know, the last segment was ended on a cliffhanger. You see me, a very, controversial cliffhanger right now because we already there call Babajay a big vaginal cavity, you understand? So we're just gonna dive right into that right now, bro. So what the hell Babajay do, brother?
Alright, you see me, I'm the type of youth where me no pick trouble. Me no fuck around people.
Yeah.
Me no disrespect people.
Yeah,
so you see, if you're going like you want to style me take that personal. Babajay is a youth like this. I'm not going to dwell upon it. This is a topic too long.
Yeah.
Him knowing himself say I'm a pussy bad man.
Word.
Babajay want little opportunist.
Word.
I'm in a business who want come at me for this because watch ya. I don't know how to put my pot on fire. You see what I say? Babajay wanted something that I had. You see me? And during that time, they might take me for pussy, but me never know. So till when all is said and done, me realize that they take me for pussy. Well. Babajay is a youth where you see like how if I do this thing in a game for a while, so you know say certain things me new to this, me I go say Negus, Ray. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Me not really ask people for strength. At one time, me ask him for share something for me. And he asked me for share things for him too.
Right.
When Babajay lose him and when Babajay lose him TikTok, when I first person Babajay reach out to. You see what I say? And then once the dog reach a 876 roommates, dog done big shot now say dog unfollow me.
What?
Wait. But I know the unfollowing me upset but I know the unfollowing me a preem but. As me say, this is something personal cause somebody me know personally, man. The man that look, I'm obviously this because I don't even want to call nobody name and you see what I say.
Yeah, I forgot the name. Just start about the story, bro.
Alright. It's like he go today. He need want something with me have.
It sound like a catty.
Yeah. He wanted something me did have. You see me? And him that try. But at the time he that pick up certain energy, I said to the person, say, oh, what go on? And the person say, oh no man, nothing no go so nothing like that and whatever. So till me realize, at the end of it all, me post something on my status. You see me? I outline how me and my girlfriend did meet. You see me? And me don't know if somebody post it or somebody screen capture it. A good as all him to screen capture it. Screen record it. You see me? And then Cashapp news to the girl talk about how you see all of them time when time me did look you. You never want to give me no blind them things I did go on. I say, so basically I say, well, him did try to look she. When him did try to look she never give him no blind because she thought about she rate me and so on, but me did go on with fuckery. Like some big pussy. I can use to girl.
Yeah. Man, I like.
And the thing is that I'm a very misunderstood person. So even if I say something, people take it the wrong way, bad man. And you see things like that. It only intensifies things when it doesn't need to.
Word.
You see me? So me appreciate when you link me up certain way, you have a certain you put up a certain facade then. But behind my back you tear me down because you and the person they are friend.
Word.
Or in a things or you want she or in a whatever the fuck that was. Because me realize say even when time me and the person that link is like, you know when somebody they one another, so it's like them argue like they cuss like man and woman and them so like certain energy. Even people round the circle in a fear circle did I say Ray. But me not go back to her go chat that.
Hold on, but me not understand what I'm going. So you and this girl was together,
Yeah, the link.
but then you're saying that she and Babajay
It looked like
each
say, yeah,
other.
it looked like say then he like the one of them. You see me, or him did like her.
While you did.
They attack, but then even the whole of we I see him household one time. You see me I say, and like the energy just never right, brother. But
Okay.
me I say him, me know him that chat certain things and I do certain things. You see what me I say? And even with the whole situation, then me that but me that go and observe. You see me? But then now me see dog and follow me. I guess him conscience about them or something because him know say, oh, you see me, him a fuckery. Him a want to opportunist, man, but
So you're saying
opportunities
opportunists.
are opportunists.
Opportunists.
Yeah.
What kind of opportunities was he seeking?
No, I'm not necessarily see him a seek an opportunity from me. I'm saying if him have if him can use you, because him will want the hype life.
Word.
So if him can use you, forget where him want to go, he will does that. You see me? This is a youth when me reason with upon a level. And when me say I move like a pussy against me. I move like a pussy against me. And this is a youth when me sit down and reason with dog.
Word.
This is a youth when me man say, oh, what motivate him, you know, as that is like yeah, one specific comedian where they tell him sitting. And him that motivate him because and him not trust people and rare and whatever. You don't trust people, you're a fuck. You don't trust people, but at the end of the day, you're a fucker too. You see me? So as me say still, big up who forget big up. But yeah, certain things, if me never fought on your podcast, me wouldn't even get no light.
Word.
Me just like to sit down and watch people
Coffee. Me hear you say,
fall.
yo, big pussy Babajay and Ray I say, I want going. So the girl thing,
So
bro.
me that tear me down. In just say that my thing with him is that in just say that tear me down. You see me? Me I'm never that preaching like that.
I don't like when
him that do sound like a
females come
pussy
in
move.
between men, bruh. Because
No.
I feel like men can conduct
Him
themselves in
him
a
know
way.
her. No, they know they wanted that before me, you know. In a picture, you know. So no like say the female come between me and man never virgin like that as me say. But my thing is just you do some little pussy things, dog.
So
It'd be like say me and you a virgin. For example, me and a virgin. And we dep on a college campus and a new girl come in. You know, say all them things they go in there, I'm gonna look out for the new girl we forward on the campus. And you the girl probably rate me. But you I go to the girl and say also that a fuckery thing about me.
word.
Just for try if it's true or mine.
Like I broke your foot.
Yeah, just for try if it's true or mine. Broke which foot?
Isn't that what he did? Man broke your foot.
Brother, broke which foot, bad man?
Man broke your foot, my lad.
Dog,
I
man.
saw it go.
No, brother, you can't. Babajay
Babajay?
broke my foot.
Yeah. That it sound like.
Next segment. Yo, watch ya. Anyways, Babajay can't break my foot, dog.
Alright, I guess. You see me? So you and the girl they still continue talk?
No, we're not link now, but Babajay can't break my foot.
Alright, you see me? Well, Babajay can't break him foot, you see me?
Him probably. They're probably not things or whatever. Me not care. Me not
Just
care.
alright,
But me
in the
say
broke
Babajay couldn't break my foot.
In the broke your foot.
Him try to break my foot.
Yeah, him try to
but
get
he
a
couldn't
slide
break
tackle.
my foot.
Yeah, and get a slide tackle, but it never work.
Never work.
Never work. Okay, okay.
Pick it up, man.
So in
Ramos.
so in the the comedic thing, besides Babajay, do you have any other negative like energy where surround you from other people, like any fighting out, any hatred
I
from
really say-
any other? Because I can tell you this right now, bro. I sense a lot of hatred from some people, bro. I'm saying
Like who?
I can tell. I'm not calling name because eventually they might come on the podcast. You see me? So we just want to keep certain things under wraps, but it's like, you see the competitiveness, bro. I don't want nobody to lie and say, oh, no, Ray. No, everybody's competing against you. I can say I don't feel no competitive energy or no negative energy from the brother, yeah. Like whenever we work,
It's not that serious.
exactly. When we work, I just work. You see me? So if I one person, I can definitely see, no negative energy. World dog, another youth where That's a given. Because that nigga platform is way above me and Femon combined together. So if you see them man they reach out and a deal with we, bro, it's like, you know, it's no competitive energy in the brother, no bad mind in the you see me? But a lot of them youth, bro, them silently compete with you, bro.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't know. To me, what is the end game in this?
Bro, for who?
Like, ultimately, where you look for? Because, yeah, it's a source of income and so on. But what is the fighting for, or what is the competition for? If you say, yo, my body's thing, what?
You see, because, and this has stemmed from slavery, bro. You see, because we're not used to nothing, we never have nothing, bro. You see me? And this can be traced back to the Willie Lynch days. You ever read the Willie Lynch letter yet? Where them put brown skin against black skin, young against old, man against woman. You see me? Like, them thing there, bro. Like, the competitive nature, like, them that was bred into us, bro. Like, crab in a barrel mentality. One person I try to come out, but everybody I try to drag them down. You see me I say? So, nobody no used to nothing, bro. So, every man have a little thing, and them I want to hold on upon it for dear life, even if that mean running a stake through your art.
Yeah.
You understand?
I mean,
and me personally, bro, before me even try to compete with people like that, brother, I'm stay away, brother, and do more thing, bro.
People at this youth show me say, oh, you know, as me say, me probably say 30, I don't want to sound too want to be redundant or repetitive. You don't need nobody but yourself. And that's why I stay to myself for the most part, because me don't like people. Me can't, me have a thing with people where it's like, as me say, me just misunderstood, like me don't have no luck with people.
Yeah.
Don't have no luck with people, because if somebody do something and you vent,
you are the problem.
You are the problem. Me just not no luck with people. Me circle very small, bad man.
Yes, decimal point.
Decimal point. Yo, and I'm not going to even dwell upon this, because me see where I do. Me see in tactic, Kyng Tavi. Me see where I do. Kyng Tavi.
No. Hey, this is not the first time we're going to talk about Kyng Tavi. I'm telling you this right now. Don't come and talk about all the money I'm trying to bring down Kyng Tavi. This nigga is looking for controversy. Yeah. So don't come talk about, no, try to bring that.
Kyng Tavi know him, do. Kyng Tavi want people to talk about him.
Exactly.
You see me?
You don't come like a vice cartel or alkaline tactics. Controversy sells, bro.
And I guess it's working for him.
It is working.
To how long?
Make a couple videos about Tavi already. Make about 4 videos, 4 or 5 videos about Tavi.
I'm not dwell upon this. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Like, for some reason, Tavi blocked me on Instagram.
Alright. For what?
I think.
But that don't matter, because I'm not following nobody anyway.
Yeah, I'm not following nobody, yeah, but it's like, I think me do one video last year, comedian combat. I don't know if you know that. Some people will be familiar with that.
I remember that.
We do a video named Comedian Combat, you see me? And I see somebody tag Tavi on that and say, oh, this thing. Now, before that, me could have see Tavi page. Now, for that, I realized I can't see Tavi page. When I use somebody else's phone and check it, and I say, oh, I can't see film page. So I realized it's like, it a pre me. And, like, this is a youth way. Me like dark comedy, and he does dark comedy sometimes.
Yeah,
for the most part,
he's a very talented.
So
youth.
when time, he's talented. But when time, he did a rant like then saying he did a mad out. Reach out to him because I say, oh, then time me never really on a platform yet either. But me reach out to him and I say, oh. Well, go on, anyways, him no respond and so on, because you know say a star and me I never star.
Yeah.
You see me? So fast forward, me realize say people more well instigate things like the fans them and so on.
Yes, I'm glad I said that.
Because all you see in Babajay, I see somebody tag Babajay in a video to and say, oh, this thing.
Brother, some of them fans are followers, yeah, brother. Yeah, them are the biggest post to all them on the earth.
I was looking into that video. Them video they feel be like more than one. Like you know when you have game and you have God of War 1, God of War 2.
Yeah. So it would be a continuation.
Right, but I see somebody talk and say, oh, this thing, and so.
How is it this thing?
I don't know. Because me never include him. Enough time.
Let me say this before you continue. Is it someone who know? We call ourselves followers or fans. Someone on the biggest, not going on in our life. Uno lame, uno life pop down. Nothing now go on phone. That's why uno love create bullshit on the internet. Bro, a lot of them tag people and I might think about me telling this. It's a blood clot 9x19, yeah? Go suck on the mother. Uno not have nothing to go on phone here on our batty people. Moving a bumper clot. Uno love instigating. Bro, nobody who have things that go on in them life, brother, will never create problems for other people. Not for one and a half, nothing to go on a life pathetic.
So
I see you in the comments, and I tell you this right now, I genuinely like to argue. So I will argue with you for make sure I get at least 10 comments out of you.
Yeah, God.
Because when time I look, I see 300 comments and I might feel them, I thank you, bye. I genuinely like to argue. And the more you comment is the more the video is boosted. Batty people. Bitch.
Yo.
I hate some of them, bruh.
Yeah.
Yeah, tag the man and tag the people in the video talk about this thing.
Because I good at them, even the thing with Twep, I good at them, some of them like fuel the fire.
Of course, some of them fuel the fire with Twep. Of course.
Twep.
Where I say, because even that, bro, me just do it, Jomo video. All the time I thought Jomo was a man, I swear to God. But me do it the video and just everybody know this is my audio. Big sitting. Oh, suck cocky niggas. Big pussy. Where. All of that just because I said this is my audio. Because it is my audio. And the reason why I did that is because Jomo video did take off, which it should, because of bad audio. My audio. So it's like, this thing, brother, you know, for own up your things. Imagine you left a bicycle out a door to brown bread. And you go to mom and bust some tricks on it. And then somebody else come take your same bicycle and bust some bad tricks on it. I mean, say, but my bicycle that? Me never say my bicycle that? You go suck on the bum buckle, man, and stop tag people in the things and try stop instigate blood clot things. Not found enough. Nothing go on in no life. As me say again, of course benefit from it. Not found enough, nothing go on in no life. On a life lame and on a pathetic.
Yeah. But
on a lame.
People, this thing is not as easy as it seems in terms of like the things that we are dealing with under the radar. So may I say. So you know, more while me just wish it reached to a level where even creativity can be highlighted more than negative energy. It'll come like dancehall, you know, negative energy fuel dancehall. People love to see when people are clashing.
Facts.
So may I say. Facts. But
so speaking about that, do you think you and Babajay and Kyng Tavi can ever reconcile differences and come together and potentially work in the future?
As me say, you know, me and Kyng Tavi not really, you know. You see that just block me. I guess based on what me I see is like it's a youth where easy for going in feelings or some reason. You see me? But Tavi, I have nothing against you, sir. I mean, I'm not against you. Personally, me just want to know why you block me. Like, why you block me, sir? What me do?
Because of this thing.
Your clan say me don't know about why you block me, bro.
Yeah,
you see me? Me not do you nothing bad, man. You see me?
Yeah.
And we that, no, Babajay, no.
Babajay, never. Right.
Man, diss me.
Hey, I don't blame you, because if somebody diss me to them done for, brother.
Me never disrespect Babajay.
Babajay disrespect you.
Yeah. Me is a youth, me say, you see in early videos them used to say, me rate the video, your dog, me rate the video, they and rare, you see me? But Babajay diss me.
Word.
You see me? But big up yourself, my G.
Big up on yourself. I don't know no honesty. Big up on yourself. I have nothing against no one. But whatever, if that's true, where the dog do, I'm gonna rate that. You see me? Yeah, I'm gonna rate that. So yo.
You see, alright. You see where World Dog say what they instigator. What's that? The informer.
Yeah.
Is an instigator.
Yo, speaking about World Dog, when you forget to take on World Dog interviewing a lot. So yo, yeah, we are cut that segment and go straight to the next one. And so yo, yeah, just stay tuned. You understand? You don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. You understand? The podcast is up. Blessings and honor.